So we just give the news manipulate by the market by this trade. So recently the gold is a bit hard to trade out, to be honest. The volatility is actually really quite it's really big difference comparable to Tuesday or Monday markets. You can see that Monday market is actually quite shaky and the volatility is actually quite increased. But starting from Wednesday onwards, we can see that the market is actually quite slow. So quite slow and stable. So it's actually quite hard to adjust in a short period of time. But we will be continue doing shorts at the moment because we do expectations that price will be going lower. So yeah, we'll be continue doing shorts. Too bad. My signal group we have been failed at the moment. I think we should do shorts on the higher sides. Damn. Do a much more aggressive approach. This is not a trending market. But anything can happen. So it's a bit hard to say. 42, 43. As I mentioned before, thinking the market is going low, I've been manipulated by the market this time. As I already mentioned, the market will be forming a ranging level. Shit. This is not a really strong trend starting from the shorter time frame. So we actually should be trying to do shots on the higher sides. Too bad. If not, I think I can actually do shots on this 43 or 40, starting from 42. I think I'm quite possible to try to do shots on 42, 43, and 44. So this one is my bet. I do think that the market is actually starting on the trending here, going back to the lower sides. Didn't really think about the market is actually going ranging. So this is my thought about it. Anyway, we'll be continue doing shots. My directions should be right, but just my entry, my decisions of the momentum, it's actually not right. So causing by that, we can see that the market, we need to time the market much more nicer next time. Okay, so yeah, I do expect that the market is actually wanted to go lower. First spike by the market, reaching back toward on the higher side and then going lower. Yep, this is not really good news. But overall, I do expect that the market is going lower. If you ask me, just as I mentioned just now, we are I mean, my trading strategy will be deciding by three factors. One is trading directions. Okay, the first point is trading directions. Okay, the second one is the momentum. So the momentum sides, I mentioned before, momentum is actually quite important. Momentum, and the third one is timing. So my direction is actually correct. Okay, timing. So my direction is actually correct. So meaning by that, I'm expectations that the market is going lower. But I can say I'm deciding on the momentum. It's wrong. So momentum means that if the market is going through a really strong downtrend, something like this, then I'll be using a much more aggressive approach to try to enter the positions.